As a beginner in data science, there are several skills you should focus on developing. Programming skills. You should have a good understanding of programming concepts and be proficient in at least one programming language, such as Python or R. Statistics. You should have a strong foundation in statistical concepts such as probability, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. Data manipulation. You should be comfortable with manipulating and analyzing data using tools such as SQL and Excel. Data visualization. You should be able to visualize and communicate insights from data using tools such as Matplotlib, ggplot, or Tableau. Machine learning. You should have a basic understanding of machine learning concepts such as supervised and unsupervised learning, and be able to implement basic machine learning algorithms. Business acumen. You should have a good understanding of the industry or business domain you are working in, and be able to translate data insights into actionable business recommendations. Communication skills. You should be able to communicate complex data insights to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. As an experienced data scientist, you should have a strong foundation in the skills required for a beginner, as well as additional skills that are more advanced. Some of these skills include advanced machine learning. You should have an in-depth understanding of advanced machine learning techniques such as deep learning, reinforcement learning, and natural language processing. Data engineering. You should be able to design and implement scalable data pipelines using technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka. Data governance and security. You should have an understanding of data governance and security best practices, as well as compliance regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Experimental design. You should be able to design and execute controlled experiments to measure the impact of changes to a system or process. Cloud computing. You should be familiar with cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, and be able to deploy and scale data science solutions on these platforms. Domain expertise. You should have a deep understanding of the industry or business domain you are working in, and be able to identify relevant data sources and develop insights that can drive business value. Leadership and team management. You should be able to lead and manage a team of data scientists, engineers, and analysts, and be able to communicate effectively with stakeholders at all levels of the organization. Please like, share, and subscribe, and do press the bell icon for future updates.